In this video, we will explain the center lock. As you can see here, this is sliding 2-track 2 shutter. In this, essentially lock is used as shown over here. To use this, we have to make a hole in the secondary shutter, sliding shutter like this, and this looks like this. When you apply this button, this knob will get engaged inside, as you can see here. Now this is locked and nobody can open. This shutter will not go this side, nor this shutter will come this side. This is locked now, and if we release this, now you are free to access the balcony. Also this area is now free. Again, I will show you how it gets locked. This is locked now. Hope you understood the video. Thank you.